In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add Pipedrive chat using LED Booster. We'll walk through the process step by step, so by the end, you'll have a basic chatbot set up and ready to use on your site. Even if you're new to Pipedrive or chat tools in general, don't worry. I'll explain what each action does and why it matters as we go. First, start in your Pipedrive account dashboard. Look for the leads icon in the main navigation menu. This is usually found along the top or side of your screen, depending on how your layout is configured. Go ahead and click on the leads icon. This area is where Pipedrive helps you capture and organize potential customers, so it's the perfect place to manage your chat tool. From the leads section, you'll see an option called Lead Booster. Click on Lead Booster to open its settings and tools. Lead Booster is Pipedrive's suite of lead generation features, and chat is one of the core components inside it. Once you're in Lead Booster, you'll be able to build, customize, and manage your chatbot. Next, select the chatbot option. This is the part of Lead Booster dedicated specifically to chat automation. Inside the chatbot area, look for a button that says New Playbook with a plus sign. Click on New Playbook. A playbook is simply a guided conversation flow that tells your chatbot what to say, when to ask questions, and how to qualify or route visitors who interact with it. You'll now be prompted to choose a template. Pipedrive offers several pre-built chatbot templates for common use cases like capturing leads, booking meetings, or answering basic questions. Browse through the options and pick the template that best matches what you want your chat to do. This is a good way to get started quickly without having to build everything from scratch. Once you've selected a template, click Save. This will create your new chatbot playbook and load it into the editor, where you can customize messages and logic later if you need to. Finally, once your template is selected and saved, look toward the top of the screen for the Save button tab and click it. This ensures all changes to your chatbot playbook are stored and ready to be used on your site. And that's it. You've now added a Pipedrive chat using LED Booster and a chatbot playbook, and you're ready to move on to customizing it and deploying it on your website.